Do you want to safely clean your ears without any fear of contracting disease? VisualCleanX Ear Cleaner Tool is the solution for you. In this video, we will give you a genuinely independent review of VisualCleanX. To see more information and the most up-to-date prices, check out the links in the description below. And please don't forget to subscribe for more videos. So let's get started. Specifications of VisualCleanX. Camera diameter 5.5 mm, camera pixel 1.3 million. LED 6 LEDs. Water resistance? Yes. How to clean? Use alcohol. Product overview of VisualCleanX. Using VisualCleanX Ear Cleaner Tool in this pandemic is not only the best way to avoid any infection, but also the only way you can safely remove earwax without pain. VisualCleanX Ear Cleaner Tool has proven that technology can work on every aspect of our lives. This is because this great product coming from great minds is something that we all need to have if we want to safely clean our ears and at the same time watch the process on our smartphone or any other device you want to connect the VisualCleanX Ear Cleaner Tool cord to. When you do this, you will be able to see your ear on the screen of the device you connected VisualCleanX Ear Cleaner Tool to. What is VisualCleanX? Looking for a safer way to clean your ears? VisualCleanX Ear Cleaner Tool is the answer. VisualCleanX Ear Cleaner Tool is a digitalized ear cleaner that can be used to clean earwax. Just as its name sounds, it is an earwax cleaner with a camera which allows you to see the inside of your ears when connected to a smartphone or any other device. It has a LED which points directly inside your ears that enables the camera to view exactly what is happening inside your ears on your smartphone. What does this mean? It means that as you are cleaning your ears, you are seeing exactly what your ear is like on your smartphone. It is highly digitalized in the sense that whenever you are cleaning your ears, you do not have to bother about what could be the condition of your ears because you are watching everything on your smartphone. This is not like other ear cleaners where you have to worry about the kind of pain the tool will cause in your ears. This device is very safe and protects your ears against any infection that may get into your ears. VisualCleanX Ear Cleaner Tool is safe for everyone no matter your age. This is one beautiful thing about this device. Anybody can use it, it is not age restricted. Why do I need VisualCleanX Ear Cleaner Tool? There are many reasons why you need VisualCleanX Ear Cleaner Tool. People do not care about the state of their ears and what is going on inside their ears. They are too reluctant to examine even their own body system to know when there is any problem in their body systems. Taking care of your ears is not what you should play with. In fact, taking care of your family is something you should not play with. Most people do use any tool that they see inside their ears without knowing the risk factors they are exposing themselves to. Anybody who wants to stay safe from ear infections needs VisualCleanX Ear Cleaner Tool. Even if you have been using other tools to clean your ears before now, you just have to stop it because you are exposing yourself to a high risk, which may cause a lot of damage to your ears. Final verdict and recommendation. VisualCleanX Ear Cleaner Tool is a special device for you and your family. You can do a lot with it. You can clean your ears with it and as well see what the inside of your ears is like. You can use the camera to see those various parts of your body which you cannot see with your eyes. You can use it in your throat and nose as well. This is the best device for you for overall cleaning of your body. I highly recommend everyone to go for this device. It is very easy to use. It is very affordable as well. Very effective way of cleaning your ears. VisualCleanX Ear Cleaner Tool is just for you. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions related to the VisualCleanX, please leave a comment down below and we will get back to you as soon as possible.